Are you looking for a work from home job that pays $20 an hour or more? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I'm gonna jump right into it. If you're looking for work from home job opportunities that pay more than $20 an hour, you definitely want to check this out. All right. So there are tons and tons of different opportunities out there. Some are better than others, but in this video, I'm going to give you 5 places that you can look into today. Some of these places are, hiring now. Some of them might not be, but keep in mind, you could always bookmark these companies and check on their hiring status, on a regular basis. All right. Now, these places, most of these, you do need some sort of experience. Keep in mind, you're going to be making anywhere from $20 to $30 an hour, sometimes even more. All right, so keep that in mind. But if these, it's a variety of jobs. So if any apply to you, all you gotta do is just apply and see what happens. Fill out the application and hopefully it works out for you. Anyway, first place is VIP Kid. All right, you do need, I believe, some sort of degree. You do need at least maybe I think a bachelor's or something. But VIP Kid is a ESL company. English as a second language. Basically, you will be teaching English to kids who are looking to learn English. Right? It's being a English speaking tutor. All right, now VIP, I've been hearing so much about them the last couple years. They're pretty reputable. Actually, it's one of the most reputable English teaching sites that I've seen, because you don't hear too much bad stuff about it. Besides, it's not a bad thing. You do need to, be accepted into it, and you do need a degree. But you will be making, I believe, at least $20 an hour with VIP Kid. Now, there are other um, English teaching, tutoring jobs, whatever, out there. Then some of them you only make $9 an hour, 10 or 12. But that is something definitely look into if you're looking for a work from home job with a little bit of a flexible schedule. You might want to check out VIP Kid or other ESL work from home job positions. All right. The next place that you can look into is called 10 Up. All right, this is a web development company, and you do need to have some experience with web development. I'm not sure if you need a degree, but you definitely need some experience when it comes to web development. This company is another legit, solid company. They do hire on occasion, from time to time. So that's one of these positions where you do need to maybe bookmark, because it depends. I don't know when you're watching this video. You know what I'm saying? I have no idea when you're watching it, but you can check them out and see if they're hiring, because they do hire from time to time. But you will be making at least $20 an hour. So it's something you definitely want to check into. If you have some sort of web development experience. All right. A third place that you could check out is called the Profit Factory. This company looks for virtual assistants. All right. Now, I'm not sure exactly if you need a degree or not, but if you don't have a degree and they're hiring and you have some experience with virtual assistants, being a virtual assistant, why not apply anyway? The worst thing that can happen is they don't respond back to you. You never know. If they say you need a degree, a lot of companies like that. If they say you need a degree and they still look at your resume and your application, they see that you've done a lot of freelance work and you're knowledgeable in this and that, they still might give you a call, still might at least interview you. So give it a shot, because being a virtual assistant, like, that covers just a lot that goes under that. Like, you can be a writer, virtual assistant, you can be scheduling, you might be content creator, you might be customer support for a business or something like that. So you might have experience with that. So don't let that whole, if you need a degree and you feel like you really can do the job, and you have the skills to do it, if they're hiring, why not apply for it? You know what I'm saying? And give it a shot and see what happens with it. All right. A fourth place that you can look into is Ovation Travel. All right, now this you definitely need travel experience, not being like not going places, but you need like travel consulting experience or have worked in the travel industry. Definitely need some experience in that to apply for this job. Now I don't know if you necessarily need a degree, maybe you not, maybe you don't, but definitely worth trying if you have that experience, past experience, or you're maybe in that job right now and maybe you just want to work from home job, that you can do the same thing maybe you're doing now. Maybe you just want to do it from home and you have that travel consulting experience. You can definitely check this out, apply for it, and see what happens with it. All right. So the fifth place that you can check out that you can make $20 or more an hour is it's called APAS Educational Group. APAS Educational Group. Now this, it says you do need like a degree in teaching related subjects, right? So the position a little weird. I'm not completely sure of what you'll be doing, but I know you do need to have some sort of good educational background because you will be working with like educational subjects, because the job title was something like an educational subject matter expert, like that. Like that's what they usually hire for, educational subject matter expert, right? So once again, if you have a background in teaching, this is something that you definitely want to check out, because once again, well, I think you definitely need a degree for this one though. But if you have a degree and you have some experience with teaching, it's definitely worth checking out. Even if you have a degree and maybe you don't have experience with teaching like kids and stuff like that, you still might want to, look at the job and apply, just like I said a couple jobs ago. It's worth giving it a shot because you never know. Worst thing that can happen is they don't call you back. You just keep it moving. All right, so those are 5 places that maybe you never heard of, that those are work from home jobs that will allow you to work from the comfort of your home. All right, so check that out. I'll put a link to the places that I just talked about. You can click on them and see if they're hiring. If not, you could always bookmark these pages and check them in the future. Or maybe they even have email lists or something you can jump on, see whenever they're hiring, they can email you or whatever. All right, so that's that information. That's that content that you want, that you need. All right, if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel and always be looking for these videos, because I'll be dropping content almost every day. We working over here. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.